video. We're getting ready to slaughter that pig. So now guys, we're gonna bring upstairs to slaughter over there. Me and Karen will slaughter that pig today. Hi Piggy! It's your time today. Yan yung baboy na kakatayin namin ngayon. Sobrang laki. Yan. Kaya, dalawa lang kami ni Karen magkakatay ngayon. Yan. Kaya mo yan, Karen?
Kayang-kaya.
Mas malaki pa dyan yung kinakatay namin, guys. Yan. Guys, tulungan ko siya mamaya.